everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you have hit the subscribe button and also put the bell notification on. As you have read from the title, today in this video I'm going to answer all your assumptions about me. So few days back I did put a story asking you guys if you have any assumptions about me, then do let me know. So basically I received a lot of love from you guys. Like you guys had no such assumption about me, so I had to put twice for you guys to get more and more assumption. But I feel that it's nice that you guys don't have any assumptions about me, because I feel that I'm very transparent towards to you guys. Very glad that there were not many assumptions, but there were decent ones. So yeah, I'll be answering to all of those assumptions. So if you are interested to know what people think about me and I have to say about it, then please continue watching. First of all, I want to thanks to all of those people who said that we don't have any assumptions about you, you are nice, you are great, and all those. Love you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, it really made my day. So the first assumption is you have felt lonely. Well, aren't we all have felt lonely at some point of time? Yes, I did. I think during my school days I did felt lonely. Not right now, because right now I have a lot of positive people around me, but when I used to have a very negative vibes, negative people around me, I used to feel lonely, but not now. Second assumption is you have faced betrayal at some point. Again, it's a part of our life. I think we all have faced betrayal at some point. For me, yes, I did. Not only relationship but also friendship as well. It used to affected me, like when the first time I got betrayal, obviously that was a different feeling. But right now I'm a fresh person, you can say. I don't let people, I don't open up in front of people a lot. I have few close friends who I'm very open to, but I'm afraid to make new friends and opening up in front of them. So yeah, I think that there will be a point they are definitely gonna betray. I have this thinking, okay, don't get me wrong, don't think that you're saying that sare log aise karte, but they do. At some point of time they do. So literally I have seen a lot throughout my life, so that's the reason why I can trust anyone easily. I seriously can't. Third assumption, it's a very fun one. Thank you, Vansita. So I assume that you are a foodie who don't like veggies. That's true. Who like veggies? No offense for vegetarians, but I don't. Lately I have started eating veggies as well. So yeah, I don't like certain vegetables. The beans, I don't like beans. Then broccoli, I don't like why other people like broccoli, but I don't like broccoli at all. And then there is karela, I cannot eat karela, of course. And then there is raw banana, those जो curries वगैरह में डालते हैं, I don't like that at all. But other than that, I'm trying to eat as much as veggies I can, trying to understand that and trying to include as much as vegetables I can in my food. First assumption is you can cook, you are a hidden master chef. I think it's not hidden, because I have already opened my food blog as well, where I share my recipes with you guys. So I think you haven't checked that out, as mentioning everything in the description box. So do check out my food blog as well. Yes, I do cook, but I won't say I'm a amazing cook, but yeah, I do try different dishes. And I quarantine time I have explored myself a lot and I have tried many dishes. So yeah, this assumption includes 2 to 3 of the assumptions. So it's I didn't think that you are really down to earth. And also 2 people who don't follow me and was fake account have told me that I am rude. Let me just answer it full and final. Many people think that I have attitude and I have ego problem and something, but when people start talking to me and they're like, I never thought that you were so down to earth. Yeah, of course. I'm in a community where I have to interact with you guys, and I think that audience are the king and I create content for you people. If I won't understand what you people want, then I don't think that I will ever grow on my Instagram. So yeah, I feel that you guys are my priority. So whatever you people like, I do. People who say that I have attitude, ego, or rude, whatever, etc., etc. These are the people who have fake accounts. And let me just tell you very clearly that I don't reply to fake accounts, because these people are the ones, like, they were going to ask you hundreds of questions, but they won't reveal themselves, tell you who they are. And it's at least I'm not comfortable, sharing my opinion or helping them. They can see me, they can see all my work, they can see all my stories and everything, but I don't know them. No matter how good they are, I don't care, because they are fake account. You never know what can happen. Like, once they are hiding their true self, it's dangerous. Second, I don't reply to people who don't follow me. Really rude that you don't follow someone and yet you are sliding to their DM and asking your suggestion and help. Who will help you? Like, at least I won't help. मुझे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं and I don't owe you anything. People who follow me and who are engaging on my post, ask them, and ask each and every people who I have interacted with. I'm very good to them. If you are good to me, I'm good to you. Like, it's a common courtesy, not even virtually, but even when you meet someone, you have that courtesy, like, hi, how are you, how's everything going on, I want this suggestion, I want this, that. So there is a way to ask someone else. So yeah, and almost I think 70% of your queries has been answered in my content as well, because trust me, as a content creator, I can only give you the content that is in my feed. Like, those are the answers to your questions. But sometimes I do reply to DMs if it is a query about a video, like which product you use, like does that product work for you or not. So these, like, जो रिव्यू भी है, रिव्यू मेरे फीड में ही है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू कम टू माई DM and ask me about the same thing that I have already reviewed,
And honestly, I get 50 to 60 DMs a day or a week, okay, and it's impossible for me to reply to all of them. Like, some are legit and some are not. So honestly, it's impossible to answer all your questions. Trust me, like, I'm a human and I have a life other than the social media as well. I'm not a full-time content creator. I am a person who is a student and I was law student, guys. So
that doesn't mean that I'm rude or I have attitude or ego problem. It's just me, guys. I cannot balance everything up. Put your feet in my shoes and what do you think, how you can handle it. So yeah, that is it. Now the next assumption is that you are someone who cannot flatter people for anything. Again, it's not an assumption, it's a fact that I cannot flatter other person. Okay, like, even if I want to have something, but I cannot do fake stuff. Okay, like, I cannot fake flatter anyone. I'm a very straightforward person, guys. So maybe that's the reason why also people think that I'm very rude, because I'm a very straightforward person. Like, I cannot butter things. And trust me, even in my relationship, I'm not a romantic person at all. Like, I have a very cold reaction to everything sometimes, like, not every time, but sometimes. But yeah, that is me, guys. Like, it is me. I cannot change for anyone and I cannot flatter anyone at all. Even if कोई बड़ा influencer आ जाए and start talking shit to me, I won't tolerate. Okay, मैं उनके मुंह पे जवाब दे दूँ. No matter how big of influencer you are, if you are a shitty person, you will be treated as a shitty person. That is it. So yeah, if you are good to me, I'll be good to you. It's a normal humanity and courtesy. Now the next assumption is you are very confident about yourself. Not sometimes. I mean, there are times when I'm not confident. I have developed this confident wala thing in myself, like, I can do this, I can do that. Like, no matter how hard it is, I try my best to do it. So yeah, I'm not overconfident, but yeah, you can say yeah, I'm confident. Now the next assumption is you have faced a lot of humiliation in school. I don't know, like, I don't remember such humiliation. Like, बहुत ज़्यादा humiliation नहीं हुआ था, except like few friends and all. Not a lot, but yeah, I did faced, but not a lot, and I don't want to talk about it as well. Next assumption is strong-minded. I totally agree with this assumption. I have a very strong mind, guys. I don't have this emotional thingy in myself, so I cannot be emotional at all, guys. Trust me. I don't know whether it's a good thing or bad thing, but I do cry when I watch movies and everything. But I have a strong mind as well. Like, I understand. Like, I think that I'm mature enough to understand what is going on. So मैं छोटी-छोटी बात में रोना धोना नहीं करती. Like, I have this emotional barrier. It has developed in years. So I don't know when that happened, but right now I'm a very strong person, I can say. Okay, the next assumption is you are very good in studies. No, I'm not. I'm an average student, I can say. I mean, I have a CGPA of 8.6 and in my college also my CGPA is around 8.6, 8.9. So college में 8.6 होना it's average or good. Good, I can't say good, average. Assumption is you are a very hardworking person. Thank you so much. I think yeah, you can see that on my Instagram as well, you know, like I post every day. I'm very consistent in my work, so yeah, I'm a very hardworking girl. Patting my back. The next assumption is I think you are rich but self-dependent, and this is my assumption. Rich, I don't know about this term rich because I don't think that I am rich. I belong to a middle class family, upper middle class family of course. I think that मेरा upbringing जो हुआ है वो बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable way में हुआ है, like मुझे कुछ कमी नहीं हुई है. Also I never used to ask my parents big stuffs like मुझे ये brand का चाहिए, मुझे ये brand का चाहिए, and I don't have a collection as well. Like लोगों का होता है ना, मुझे shoes collection चाहिए, मुझे इतना वॉच कलेक्शन चाहिए. आई नेवर यूज टू हैव दैट एज वेल. बेसिक चीज़ होता है ना, रोटी मकान खाना, नॉर्मल जो बेसिक चीज़ होता है ना वो मुझे ईजिली मिल जाता है. सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट ये जब से मैंने ऑब्वियसली ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट किया है एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू गेट पेमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, I have become self-dependent, of course. Like I don't need a guy or my parents. Like of course I need my parents for this house, of course, for electricity, khana and all, and also my education, of course. But videos, makeup and everything, wo sab ke liye I don't depend on them, of course. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment box what are your assumptions about me, and जो मैंने अभी आंसर किया है, do you think that they are reasonable or not? Do let me in the comment box what you think. बस avoid hate, don't put your hate comments, be positive and be happy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.